Magandang umaga, hapon, gabi, o kung kailan man pinapanood ang episode na to, mapalistener ka man, watcher ka man, o isa sa aming minamahal na Black Knights.
Ayan, so good day, Black Knights! Welcome to MMC, or the
Mindful Media Conversation. Ako nga pala, si Robby Martin Avila Carlos, who used to be from Hums 11 London.
Well, I am Rich Alagar from the Alumni Association.
And we are your podcast hosts for today. So, Ate Rich, kamusta ka? Welcome back to another episode ng MMC. Diyos ko, it's been a long time since we've made another episode.
Yes.
So, speaking of, Ate, since we're currently in vacation and kakatapos nga lang ng ating school year, kamusta naman ang feeling na ikaw ay graduate na from MIAS?
Yes, syempre nakaka-culture shock pa rin, syempre kasi college na yung next, di ba? Syempre mape-pressure ka na.
Yes naman,
What
ate.
course will you take and
Yes
such?
po. Kaya
Ikaw
pa ba? Kaya pa ba?
Kaya pa naman.
Kaya pa? Pwede.
Syempre, ano rin naman, set season na. College entrance exam seasons.
Good luck po sa inyong lahat.
Yes.
Syempre, ate, good luck po sa iyo. I wish you the best. So, you wanted to ask me, no, kung kamusta naman ako?
Curious din ako
Syempre, medyo kapa pa kasi.
Yes.
Ito na naman. Grade 12 na ako next year.
Pero di ba, last stage naman na sa high school?
Yes, last stage naman na to ng senior high school. Pero it's kind of sad. Kasi last year is, syempre, my final year here din sa MIAS. Syempre, mamimiss ko tong MIAS. I've had fun and very fun experiences here sa MIAS. And syempre, kung gusto nyo maranasan, mag-MIAS kayo. And it's really, really fun kasi especially sa mga teachers at sa ating mga experience sa ating educational system that I've been able to graduate or possibly move up here sa MIAS. So, Ate Rich, kamusta ka? Kamusta ang vacation? Kamusta ang ating season of enjoyment, hindi ba? Or rest?
Well, itong vacation season, tinuturing ko rin siyang acceptance season. Kasi di ba, rejection sa mga college, universities, and such. Pero syempre, tulad nga ng sabi ko in the other episode, rejection is redirection.
Yes. Minsan naman, hindi natin sigurado na baka pag na-reject tayo dun sa place na pupunta natin, baka it's for the better. Or napupunta tayo sa much better, hindi ba? Yes po, ate. So, are you preparing for college? Are you ready? Kaya na ba? Pwede na ba?
Well, I'm not sure, pero kakayanin naman siguro.
Kakayanin, syempre.
Yes.
Ate Rich, ikaw pa yan eh. Ikaw yung female podcast host ng MIAS. Ikaw yung female news anchor ng MIAS. Kayang-kaya yan, syempre. And speaking of preparation, ako, ready na ba ako?
Ready? Kaya mo yan?
Hindi.
Hindi.
Kasi, alam mo yun, Ate Rich, nung grade 10 ako,
What?
maliit na kwento lang. Nung grade 10 ako, syempre, parang same feeling pa rin ngayon na, imagine, as you said, culture shock ata.
Yeah.
Kasi, next year, panibagong subjects na naman. Next year, panibagong experiences na naman. And syempre, medyo nakakapanibago. Kasi when you're stepping into higher ground, especially at grade 12 na ako, it feels weird. Kasi, possibly next year, baka may mga bagong classmates. Possibly next year, baka may mga bagong tao na makakahalubilo. And it's fun, but nevertheless, it's kind of scary. Kasi hindi natin sigurado kung anong ma-approach nating problems next year. Pero that is what makes life fun.
Agree.
So, Ate Rich, ikaw ba, ano ang masasabi mo ngayon? How is your vacation? Kamusta naman ang daan ng bakasyon mo ngayon?
Well, wala naman masyadong ganap sa bahay namin. Since hindi naman umalis yung family namin, di ba? So, focus lang sa social media and such.
Social media.
Ayan, yung play games yan. Watching movies and such.
Ooh.
Ikaw ba? Anong ginagawa mo ngayong vacation?
Ha? Wala din eh. Halos wala din naman kami ginagawa ngayong vacation. Stay lang sa bahay. And of course, napakainit din kasi ngayon eh, no? Sa inyo guys, always drink water.
Pero rainy season is coming naman na.
Oh, alam mo yun, ang gulo kasi minsan naulan.
Sa umaga mainit.
Oo, sa umaga init, sa hapon
diba?
biglang uunan. So, guys, please drink your water. Napaka-importante na stay hydrated. Although we don't have water here, please remind yourselves every time na at least 1 liter to 2 liters of water is good for every day. Sabi nga nila, 'di ba? Wala nga silang sinabi. Pero sabi ko na it's better to drink water than drink nothing or drink junk things like soft drinks. Pero okay na naman siguro like once in a while, 'di ba? May pagkapasaway kasi tayo 'di ba? So, Ate Rich, are you ready for college?
Well, I can say yes and I can also say no. Syempre, 'di ba? Bagong stage na to ng school natin. Iba na talaga to. Ito na yung last stage para sa dream talaga na meron tayo. Let's just hope for the future college students. Good luck on your next journey.
Would you say that you're pressured or how are you feeling currently right now?
Well, syempre hindi naman maiiwasan ng mga future college student magkaroon ng anxiety, lalo na some of us are still unable to decide what course they will take on, di ba? So I'm just hoping na since malapit na yung pasukan, sana magkaroon na sila ng final course na papasukin talaga nila. No? Kung saan magsasaya sila hindi lamang sa pagiging practical but also considering the fact na yun yung passion nila and yun yung wants nila.
So, do you feel that you've settled or picked the right course for college?
Yes, I can say yes.
Bakit ate?
Kasi ever since, nabanggit ko natin sa mga first few episodes natin, I really like performing and doing arts, right? Like acting, singing, dancing, anything about performing.
Performing
so
talaga.
I want to enter the world of production, lalo na sa mga network like that. So I also want to take this opportunity to thank the Mia's Network for giving me a chance
thank you, Mia's
to be
Network.
your host and anchor. Ayan.
At syempre naman ate, no, do you feel like it was successful? Like let's say sorry for asking so many questions pero let's say yung experience mo as a grade 12 student, would you say na na-fulfill ka doon?
Yes.
Bakit?
Kasi 'di ba, ngayong sa school natin, napakarami nating experiences and hardships na naranasan. Pero syempre hindi naman tayo mag-isa doon. Marami tayong nakasama, tayong nakasama sa pag-grow. Marami din tayong lessons na nakuha ngayong senior high. And that what makes me happy.
I'm really glad to hear that na. Alam mo, sometimes, when you're a podcast host kasi, we more focus on the topics that we want to talk about. Pero, since yung topic natin ngayon is more about vacation, I wanted to settle more in personal questions. Kasi, alam mo natin, Rich, we've been talking for such a short period of time.
Yeah.
So, I wanted to get to know you, possibly, kasi, ilang araw na lang din, magkaka-college ka na, no? Ilang weeks na lang din, no?
Ilang weeks na lang, magbababay na talaga ako
Diyos ko,
totally.
magbababay na talaga siya sa Mia. So, unfortunately, di ko sure, baka sa next recording natin, ako na lang mag-isa, baka next recording natin, masasabi ko na lang na I'm your only male podcast host.
But that's fine. Let's give chance to our new students.
Yes, for our new students. Syempre naman sa mga upcoming Black Knights there, syempre, let's welcome you guys kasi of course, we will be having our... bawal ata sabihin na. Pwede ba sabihin? Basta, mag-abang kayo. Baka malay nyo, kayo yung umupo sa upuan ni Ate Rich.
Yes.
Diba? So,
good luck to those
syempre naman.
who want to audition, diba?
Yes, sa mga gusto mag-audition, possibly, hindi namin sure kung mag-hold kami ng audition, pero kapag merong audition, syempre maghanda kayo.
Yeah.
I know naman guys na meron kayong mga hidden talents over there. Huwag nyong i-keep na hidden yun.
You have to
Ilabas nyo yan. Yes, you have to diminish and show everybody that you have the power, that you have that kind of energy to perform in front of many people. Dahil hindi lang naman kami ang nag-iisang mga podcasters sa Mias. One of the, we are the first, but there are many more people that will be holding this kinds of podcasts for you guys. So, Trish, are there any other questions that you want to ask me?
No, nothing na. So
Nothing
siguro,
na?
para na lang sa mga wala pang school dyan, ngayong bakasyon na.
Siyempre, Mias is open. Mias is ready for enrollment.
Yeah.
Please lang, guys. I swear, mag-enjoy talaga kayo pag nasa Mias kayo. We have our upcoming few stuffs, di ba? Yung mga bagong dadagdag like, yung
The arcade one,
yes, yung
yes.
arcade. Look forward for the arcade. Tas yung gym.
Yeah, para sa mga gym rat dyan.
Mga gym rat
And
dyan.
also, it is made for athletes, no?
Yes, for athletes. Syempre sa Mias, we have our very own mga yung mga varsity students natin.
Yes, volleyball,
mga
basketball, badminton.
Huwag natin i-disregard yan. Let's be sure na lahat kayo are very welcome sa ating Mias or Metropolitan Institute of Arts and Sciences. So, of course, guys, our ate, I want to ask you another question, di ba? Sorry kung maraming tanong.
it's fine.
Ang daldal ni Robbie, ang daming tanong. Ano ba yan? Pero,
Screen time din, screen time.
screen time ba? Kasi si Ate Rich kasi alis na eh. So I want to get her know better, di ba? Kasi magkakalis na si Ate Rich. So mag-grade 12 na. Ako na yung aapak minsan siguro sa kanyang posisyon. So some way, somehow, I want to ask her questions. Ate Rich, what could you say about grade 12? For me, as an upcoming grade 12 student po, ate.
Siguro, try to maintain your time management talaga. Kasi syempre, graduating ka na.
Yes.
Marami nang papagawa sa inyo and also the clubs and organizations na hawak mo and such,
Yes,
di ba?
po, ate.
Ang dami mo kailangang i-handle at the same time. Lalo na if part ka pa ng class officers talaga, napakahirap talaga.
That's very true, that's very true.
Halos lahat talaga mapupunta sa'yo. So, kailangan mo talaga maging ready physically, mentally, emotionally.
Yes. I just want to share na this has been a fun experience throughout all those days and weeks and possibly months of preparation. It's really reprimanding na we get to record these kinds of episodes every single week, no? Kung hindi man every single week, every other day. Kasi us podcasters, we are not the only ones that do the work. I want to say thank you personally sa ating mga sound directors, sa ating directors, sa ating mga project managers, sa whole production team. I swear, we love you guys so much. Kasi kung wala kayo, wala rin kami dito possibly. Mia's Network is not only based off of just us. Siguro, let's say, yung mga nakikita nyo, yes po ate, yung mga off-cam, yung mga nakikita nyo on-cam, yung kami si Ate Rich.
The design team, technical team.
Yes, yung mga, lahat ng mga ganyan. We want to shed some appreciation kasi hindi lang naman lahat ay nanggagaling sa amin. Hindi kami yung nag-setup na ito. We are just the people who entertain. So anyhow, I just want to say thank you sa ating production team. Kasi without you guys, mahihirapan talaga kami ni Ate Rich kasi di lang naman kami yung nag-handle ng recording na to, hindi ba? So,
wala rin naman tayo alam sa mga ganito-ganyan.
Yes, wala rin naman ako alam sa mga ganyan-ganyan. Pero I just wanna say na kung meron kayong mga gusto nyong i-share, like let's say yung experiences yung certification, yung mga nag-swimming dyan, yung mga nag-enjoy dyan, yung mga nag-outing dyan, yung mga nag-SM, yung mga nag-MOA. Share your stories. Hindi lang naman kami yung pwede mag-share dito, di ba? You guys can share what you want to share, di ba? So, ikaw, Ate Rich, any other things you want to say sa ating mga audience dyan, sa ating mga Black Knights?
Well, I just want to also take this opportunity to thank all the viewers, to our loyal viewers, especially the Black Knights, no? Tulad nga na lagi ko sinasabi ko, the biggest gift that we could ever ask for is you watching here right now.
Yes naman. I just want to say thank you again personally sa ating mga audiences, sa ating mga watchers. And of course, personal thanks sa aking mga friends here. Of course, kung nanonood kayo nila Shin, kayo nila Manuel, kayo nila Radores, my big five sa aking London. I miss you guys so much because you guys have made me nothing but proud and nothing but successful throughout the school year. Imagine mo yun ate, I just wanna share nung grade 11 kasi, I was kind of antisocial. Kasi it's difficult for me to socialize around other people kasi although extrovert ako, at the same time, I'm an ambivert. So my mood really depends on what I want to do and what I want to say and who I want to communicate with. So special thanks to my very best friends over there. Kung nanonood naman kayo nila Shin, my big five. You guys have made nothing but love para sa akin. Any other people you want to thank, Ante?
Siguro yung section ko na lang din. Since nakasama ko naman sila for 2 years. So, as I always say, thank you so much, Yumsto of Dallas, for allowing me to serve you for 2 years. I'm really glad na for all those events, competitions and such, magkakasama nating hinarap at magkakasama tayong nagtagumpay. So, ang wish ko lang sa inyo ay sana maging successful ang college journey ninyo. And especially to our advisors, shout out, Ma'am Beverly Dulay. Thank you for being such a great advisor.
Yes naman, ate.
You were our constant support system. I love you, Ma'am.
Siyempre, ako din. Thank you ko na rin yung section ko. Baka sabihin nila, ang unfair naman natin ni Robby, tinake you lang yung big five niya. Of course, I want to thank you, my Humes 11 London. Even though I've been kind of lacking as your president for the past few months, actually, kasi si Shin, I promise, thank you Shin so much for leading Humes 11 London without me. Kasi, with all honesty, ano lang ako, yung ano ba yun, yung external president. So, panlabas lang talaga ako.
Internal and external.
Yes po, pero in all truthfulness, I'm really thankful na you guys were part of a section and you've let me lead you even for sometimes lang. And of course, thank you din kay Ma'am Renta. Thank you so much, Ma'am Renta, for being able to be there for us and at our times of need. At maraming salamat po sa pag-lead ng Humes 11 London because without you, we would be nothing as well. So any other things that we want to say, disregard yung mga gusto nating i-welcome sa ating mga Black Knights?
Well, ikaw ba meron?
Yes po, ate. Syempre, let's look forward sa ating mga upcoming things sa ating Mias. Yung mga, sabi nga lang, di ba? Yes, yung mga arcades, yung mga gym, yes, yung mga hangout places. Let's be sure na ready kayo para sa ating next year ng Mias. Kasi this year, or the last year, was not our only start, but this is only the beginning of Mias. So this may look like the end for us, pero we will have many things to come sa ating Mias.
Yes, please look forward to other segments that will be released every Friday night.
Yes, every Friday night.
Hindi lang podcast, meron tayong iba't pang segments, Mias.
Yes.
Minute.
Yes.
Black
Look
Knight
forward,
stories.
bawat pasabihin. Let's look forward. But anyways, thank you so much guys for watching another episode of the MMC or the Mindful Media Conversation. And again, I am your host and Ate Rich is your host as well. Thank you so much. Goodbye.